Exit regret. Because why not? Asshole. Really, you're an asshole. Go fuck yourself. BM double douche. No buses in the left lane. No, no, no. You can't be there. And, I'm not going to sing the whole song because I'm going to sing it later. Oh no, look at who's behind me right now. Look, it's a truck, and he's trying to get over before he gets caught on camera, but it's too late. Ha. Oh well, you get to be in the video. Oh, I gotta make a left after this shit. Time for the left turn. Dual turn fail. Whole deal. Which, oh, by the way, I need to make that left turn, but I didn't realize my mistake until it was too late. So guess what? I'm going to keep going straight and go around the block because that's the sensible thing to do. That's today's lessons, kid. Just own the mistake and just go around the block. Oh, that was a dive for a right turn behind me. Nice cutoff up there.
The gish gal. Yeah, exactly. We couldn't quite find the right turn. Things that existed. It's a bit like a gish gal.
Oh, the big potato truck. Holy shit!
And therefore the person is sort of like go through.
First time I actually seen that. Nice cutoff.
So, in an effort to assert some dominance, they arrange for there not to be a chair for her in the room where the negotiations are going to happen. So when she comes in, they just sort of...
Really? Exit dive. Red light, run.
List, Eli, so congrats.
Yeah, Eli's gonna go way down in coherence today. That'll be crazy.
Eli, I am still.
So we're here.
I'm
all right, get on camera so you can do the thing. Good. You saw what he did. Exit dive.
Trying to offer too much respect to people who've had a wide vocabulary and an engaging delivery.
Nope.
I think it sounds like it. Like, look at the grandstand.
And if you do some measurements of that, you can actually represent it with an equation.
Okay.
And you make a prediction.
Right.
This is the temperature difference. They'll be the same temperature in 10 minutes.
Right.
Or, by the
Wait,
way,
what?
This is happening every day.
Left turn regret. In a big truck like that, you can't really make mistakes like that. Kind of have to go make the left and go around the block to get back on here. That would be a better plan than what you did. Or you can just go straight. I don't know. I don't know anything.
Planets, a fraction of the sun, right? We can practically ignore them because it's just in the round-off error of the. Then we know how many stars there are in the galaxy. Okay.
What
we know
the
how many galaxies
fuck?
there are in the universe. Okay. Then we know because we know where
This
the
lane
edge
ends,
is
so
over
why
the
would
right.
you come
Okay.
over here?
We know these numbers.
You see, there he is.
All you have to
That
do
was
is
just
multiply
stupid.
it up. Right. Okay. So that's 2 times 10 to the
Here you
43rd
go.
grams times possibly a trillion galaxies. That's
Right.
to the 12th power. So that. was
2 exit dives
10 to the 50
up there going through the thing.
grams. Okay.
Stop
Grams are
it.
smaller
All of
than
you
2
suck.
tons or something. Who cares?
Nice cutoff. Nope, asshole.
And if
if you'll pardon the expression, God bless you, right? You just go do your thing on your terms, have a nice life. I want to say this.
No, stop.
You don't have to be a victim of conversion therapy. You don't.
Way in which I think you're better than a pedophile. I would use the same remedy for both of them.
No, you got honked at. You're sitting there.
Oh, man.
Ads depicting men you find attractive and let your mind concentrate on various sexual acts as you take several deep diaphragmatic
Red light
whiffs
run.
of the feces.
Red light
You can
run.
put them in an
Red,
open
red,
bowl
red,
or a
red, red
Tupperware.
light run.
Yes, remaining because my friend and I were goofing around one day when he picked me up and slammed me backwards through the double-paned pantry door.
Are you going
I
to
took
cheat
the
through
jar
the
outside with
thing?
me, located some.
Yes. Wait. Oh, even worse. He made a left out of there and made a right up there. Really? Wow. I thought he was just going to turn right. Oh, well. That's creative.
They've had maybe 5 or 6 games when I've said on the radio or I've said
Red light run.
this is a must-win game.
Kia.
The season is in the balance.
Probably stolen and we're in
They've
Rochester
always
right now.
won until last.
So, fucker, what the hell are you doing? Like, is it really that important to pull into there? Just go around the other side where I'm sure the parking lots connect, right? Yeah, they do. No, stop.
How Dovis plays is how this series will go.
No trailers on the parkway. No, you cannot be there. And we're in Connecticut, so you know it's real. No trailers on the parkway. No, you cannot be there. Oh, well, sucks to be you. You get to be in the video because that's what the Connecticut rules are. And we are on the Wilbur Cross Parkway. They still don't allow trailers or trucks or anything like that on here. So I'm going to sing this song and end the video now. So this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right, I'll see you next time. Okay, bye!